Okay, news just coming in from the site where Riya Chakrabarti is currently being questioned by the Enforcement Directorate. Riya's family has officially requested for bouncers to be deployed at the Enforcement Directorate office. Her brother Shawik has returned from the Enforcement Directorate office. The family has asked for bouncers to be deployed there for Riya's security. I want to go across to Munish Pandey live with us, but first I want to bring in India Today's Divyesh Singh with us from Mumbai. Divyesh, Riya's brother Shawik was also accompanying her for this interrogation, and now apparently the family has asked for bouncers to be deployed there. It's been over 5 hours that she's been questioned right now.
So in fact, they've called in some bouncers who are present here right now. I would ask my camera person to zoom in if they are in view. They were right now present here. They came along with Shawik, who had just left to get some documents from their residence, and he's just returned back to the ED office, and the bouncers had accompanied him. So the bouncers are present here, and seeing the media, the large number of media persons present here, they've called in for bouncers. She's being questioned for last 5 hours or so. The line of investigation remains regarding the money trail that has happened from Sushant Singh Rajput's account to some fictitious accounts, to some unknown accounts. That is what the FIR against Riya Chakrabarti says, that some money was transferred to some fictitious accounts, some suspicious accounts from Sushant's account, and over 15 crore rupees had been siphoned off. The properties remain under ED scanner, and also other investments made by Riya and her family members. Remember, her family members, Sandhya Chakrabarti, her mother, Indrajit Chakrabarti, her father, and Shawik are also accused in this case, registered by the Enforcement Directorate, other than the CBI and Patna Police. So they also remain under investigation. Shawik was called in for questioning next week, but he's accompanied Riya, so he's also being questioned by the Enforcement Directorate team. But a special team created by the Enforcement Directorate's Zone 1 is right now questioning Riya Chakrabarti. Her chartered accountant Ritesh Shah is being questioned by another set of enforcement officers, while Shruti Modi, who's worked for Riya Chakrabarti as well as was the business manager of Sushant Singh Rajput, is also being questioned at the ED office right now.
Stay with me, Divyesh. Munish Pandey, who's been tracking the Enforcement Directorate proceedings, is also with us live from Delhi. Munish, Riya Chakrabarti has been questioned for about 5 hours now. What's it looking like? Is this going to be an extended interrogation that's going to go on till today? There are various options available with the Enforcement Directorate. If they want to prolong the questioning, they can produce her in court, they can seek her custody. What are you hearing from your sources? What is their next step?
Yeah, well, Shiv, at this point of time, what we are hearing that the questioning is still, the questioning will still continue, and this may continue for another day, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. The questioning will still continue, because once the ED started recording the statement, there are many questions which have been put before Riya Chakrabarti regarding the immovable and movable properties, the bank transaction, the cash transactions, and the allegations leveled by the family against her. Now, to record statement of Riya Chakrabarti, there is a procedure. This statement is being recorded under Section 50 of PMLA, which can be treated as evidence before the court. It is this statement is being recorded under oath. So as far as the questioning is concerned, to answer one question, Riya is taking almost 15 minutes. So if by that logic you go, even in 5 hours of questioning, ED has not covered so many of the questions, and that is why what ED believes at this point of time, and what the sources have told us, that the questioning will continue for 4 more hours, at least till say 8 or 9, and then tomorrow or day after tomorrow she will be again called for questioning. It is very unlikely that she will be detained or arrested today, because ED wanted her to give answers of all the questions, and as of now she is giving answers. There are many questions to which Riya has said that she is not aware of. She needs to look back her own records, and then only she can give the answers. So those questions will be asked to her again. But as far as the main allegations are concerned, ED is claiming that they are questioning her, and so as of now, some questions have been covered, but many questions are still to be asked by the interrogators before.
Okay. Munish, thanks very much for joining us. Divyesh will continue to stay with us. Riya
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.